This tutorial, I will show you how to set up your privacy, especially on who can see your stuff or you mean that you post when you post to your timelines. To do this, you go to settings and click on privacy. You will see the one point who can see my stuff. It means that see your post, everything you post to your timelines, who can see it. Default is public, just means that everyone can see it, can see your post. So you can go to edit, you can change it. The first one, public, it means that when you post, it can see, it can show to everyone. The second one, it's only your friend that can see your post. If you choose only me, no one can see just out of you, and you can custom here. You can friend or friend, just leave friend or friend or special like before. You can choose only people that you want to show. Okay. So at default you choose publish. You need to check if you want to check. So friends, it means not just only your friend that can see your post. It's done. Thank you for watching.